Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again after so long, and in today's video we'll be making resin earrings, and for that I'm taking these pair of earrings which are so gorgeous. The first step for the resin is always wear gloves because resin is a liquid that can spoil your hands, so precaution is first. Then we are taking our resin. I have these Art Pavilion resin. Resin always comes in a ratio 1:2. The resin is 2 and the hardener is 1. So firstly I've removed all the beads from the jhumka because it creates a problem to create a flat surface. So as you can see the speed at which I'm actually mixing it, you have to do it very slowly because otherwise it will create bubbles and it just makes the resin looks worse. So don't do that mistake. Just have some patience and mix it very patiently, just like I'm showing you here. And you have to mix it until the whole liquid becomes transparent again. Now I'm going with these lavender and the white flower here, as the beads are white, so I think this combination would look perfect. What we're gonna do is we're gonna very carefully trim our flower into an arc shape so that it can be placed on the periphery of the circle like this. Do this step very carefully as these flowers are highly delicate, and I kinda messed up here. It's like 1 or 2 petals got broken away, but I immediately gathered it so that we can just manually put them back together. So here comes the pouring part. Just create a very thin layer of resin at the bottom. Okay, we are just adding few drops and making it even using a toothpick or a stirring spoon. Then we will just use a tweezer. Carefully pick up the flower and place it in its position. This resin is just to fix these flowers in place, and we will add another coat to give it a clear finish, gloss, and seal all the flowers together. Now I'm adding some small leaves to give it a final touch. Finishing it off by adding another layer of resin just to seal all the flowers inside. And again using a stick to spread it evenly. You have to be patient with the spreading part of the resin because it takes time as it is a thick liquid. Now it looks like this, and it's time to keep this aside. I'm using this old carton box to keep this away from the dust and just stable in this position for 24 hours for the resin to dry. And I forgot an essential part, which is adding some gold flakes. So it's time for some glitter. I'm taking these rose gold flakes, taking a piece and then breaking it into smaller pieces using a toothpick. And now gently picking up each particle and placing it inside the resin. Can you see this? It just enhanced the beauty of the earrings so much. Okay, now let's move on to another set of earrings that we have here, which is a big round one with the pearl on the outer edges. So for this earring, I'm choosing these blue flowers along with these white ones because the beads of these earrings are blue. And I'm again repeating the same procedure again, so let's fast forward the video. And finally, another set of earrings are also ready. So let's keep these along with those for 24 hours to dry. I'm just carefully placing this. Just make sure to keep the carton straight and close the lid so that dust doesn't get on the resin surface. After drying, it looks like this, and let's carefully remove the tape. Well, actually UV tape is used, but I'm just using that as I'm out of UV tape right now. And if you have this residue or any blurriness, you can use this nail paint remover to clean the resin surface. Now I'm just taking the beads and placing them, and voila! Just look how beautiful these earrings look, which is perfectly complemented by this beautiful rainy sky today. These raindrops have just added stars to its beauty. So these are the second pair of earrings that we have. Look at these beautiful blue flowers. Okay, it just gives me the ocean vibes. I don't know why, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It's been so long since I've added a video, so make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.